Oh wow, this water feel good. This is warm. Wow. Wow. Rocky, you know. Rocky. This ain't cold. It's just rocky. Woo. You in the shoes? Oh yeah. I said the same thing in my mind just now. I thought about it. It's rocky, but it feel good. I tell them. It's rocky, but it feel good.
Now we just learn to appreciate ours.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Tell them what you do, Sister Joy.
You learn to appreciate what we have. Just stop taking it for granted.
Amen.
Look how these people enjoying it.
Look at this. Look at that. Ah, hallelujah.
Oh, we got ours
Hallelujah.
and we don't care.
Oh, preach, Sister Joy. All we need is the Bahamas brass band right here. We are baptism.
Hello.
Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Look at these people enjoying this. It only at a certain point. Only at a certain point. No, it gets smooth out here though. No, I'm saying
right
there
there
is rocks, but it gets right. You have to get past it. That's what I said.